Are you ready to supercharge your collagen production for youthful, glowing skin? Look no further than this fantastic collagen-boosting recipe to revolutionize your skincare routine. Let's dive into the ingredients and preparation methods to help you achieve that radiant complexion you've always dreamed of. Ingredients: 1. Wild-caught salmon. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation and promote collagen synthesis, leading to plump and firm skin. 2. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants, blueberries protect the skin from free radical damage and support collagen production for a more youthful appearance. 3. Spinach. This leafy green contains vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis and skin repair. 4. Bone broth. A collagen-rich broth that provides the building blocks necessary for maintaining skin elasticity and hydration. 5. Avocado. Full of healthy fats and vitamin E, avocado helps nourish the skin from within and improve collagen levels. Preparation method: 1. Start by grilling the wild-caught salmon until cooked through. 2. Combine blueberries, spinach, bone broth, and avocado until smooth in a blender. 3. Serve the grilled salmon with a generous dollop of the collagen-boosting smoothie on the side. Scientific evidence and testimonials have shown that these ingredients effectively enhance collagen levels in the skin. By incorporating this recipe into your diet regularly, you can support your body's natural collagen production and achieve a more youthful and radiant complexion. The best herb for returning collagen to the skin. One herb stands out for its remarkable collagen-restoring properties. Let's explore the top herb known for promoting collagen synthesis and enhancing skin health. Rosemary, a fragrant herb commonly used in cooking and skincare, is a powerhouse ingredient for returning collagen to the skin. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, rosemary helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV radiation, which can degrade collagen over time. Additionally, rosemary contains rosmaric acid, a potent compound that stimulates collagen production and improves skin elasticity. To incorporate rosemary into your skincare routine for optimal collagen-boosting results, consider infusing it into your facial toner, moisturizer, or DIY face masks. You can also brew rosemary tea as a natural toner or facial steam to reap its skin rejuvenating benefits. While rosemary is generally safe for topical use, some individuals may experience skin irritation or allergic reactions. It's essential to perform a patch test before using rosemary-infused products and consult a dermatologist if you have sensitive skin or any existing skin conditions. By incorporating rosemary mindfully into your skincare regimen, you can harness its collagen-restoring properties for a more youthful and radiant complexion. 5 vitamins to look younger instantly. Want to achieve a youthful glow instantly? Look no further than these 5 essential vitamins that work wonders for your skin's elasticity and collagen production. Let's delve into the role of each vitamin in promoting a more youthful appearance and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine for anti-aging benefits.